A lot of people find rice a tricky one to cook, but what we've done, we've just put a leverage of water inside of our pan, and we've just left it to just steam, so we don't touch it, add anything to it, stir it up or anything. If you just want to get it done perfectly, rice really just does its own thing. Wagwan! Big up yourself, everybody. You done know Wagwan. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. With there inside of the environment, inside of the kitchen, people, yeah. On today's episode, people, yeah, we're gonna be frying chicken. We're gonna be cooking rice, people, yeah. You done know, say it's a chicken fried rice. Just like if you was to go to the Chinese shop and you get chicken fried rice or chicken chow mein, or you understand? A Jamaican chicken fried rice today, people, yeah. Big up yourself. You done know. Respect again, everybody, for coming through. You done know, say a 24-hour kitchen. Alright, everyone, so we're going to get straight into this one. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just washing rice. Look at that. Good vibe. So it's a simple meal today, everyone. Big up yourself and welcome to 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. We're there in the kitchen after washing up. So after washing our rice, we pop it on the cooker. We're just gonna add a tad bit of salt. I'll show you how I go on. That's it. Good vibes. And then all we're gonna do, we're gonna close up. Alright, everyone. So it's a simple thing I go on in the kitchen today, everyone, yeah. I just go and show you, say, look, red, gold, green, thyme, tomato, red onion, are good vibes, everyone, yeah. And next pan, I'm gonna get the next ingredients and show you what's really happening in the kitchen today, everyone. So look, everyone, because it's that type of vibes, yeah, what I wanna do is just put a tiny bit of the all-purpose seasoning mix inside of the pot to flavor the rice, everybody, yeah, because we're making, right, see it there? We're gonna be making a chicken fried rice, people, yeah, are good vibes. Healthy, quick and fast. Ooh, look at that, nice one. So, all right, so a good vibe. So we're on track, everybody. We're on track. All right. So what I'm gonna start to do, everyone, is chop up my green pepper, my yellow pepper, my red pepper, and also my red onion, and also my tomato as well, everyone. What I've done here is left all of these seeds there to replant. So now is the time, everyone. If you're in the UK, you buy peppers, even onions, you can replant them. Potatoes, you can replant them, everyone. So yeah, man, let's replant some things back into the earth, people. Yeah, are good vibes. A lot of people find rice a tricky one to cook, but what we've done, we've just put a leverage of water inside of our pan, and we've just left it to just steam, so we don't touch it, add anything to it, stir it up or anything. If you just want to get it done perfectly, rice really just does its own thing. Once you've added the right amount of water to your pan, it will literally do its own thing, everyone. If you feel like it's a little bit dry and you need to add a bit more water, you could boil your kettle and sprinkle a little bit more water over your rice and let it continue to steam on your lowest fire, which you have. So good vibes, everyone. But we're gonna be doing an episode just basically on how to cook the perfect rice, everyone, yeah? And good vibes. And good vibes. Yeah, man, I feel good about this one. Alright. Look at that. The rice is completed, you know, everyone. So good vibes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn that off. Turn bad boy air up, and what we're gonna start doing, we're gonna just start frying up the chicken breast fillets. Are good vibes. So our pan is really hot. Good job. Okay, so just where we want it to be, I've just had to put a cloth here so that all the oil that's just splattering, just to control some of it a little bit. A good vibe. Now this is amazing because you've got these tiny little chunks of chicken breast that I've cut into tiny little, like almost popcorn chicken, like all popcorn size. And then what we're gonna do, look at this. Ah, amazing. So I've chopped up all the vegetables nice and ready. The rice, look, the rice is on the pan, extra drying out, getting all the moisture out of it. So our good vibes. We're just gonna start to just turn these little fillets now, turn these little bad boys. Woo! Yeah, man. And then we're just gonna get into the next stage, everyone. Our good vibes. I hope you're enjoying this one, everyone. Yeah, man, something a bit different. Yes, our good vibes. How is everyone anyway? How is everyone? You enjoying the day? Enjoying the week? Put in the comment section, everyone. Let me know how your week's been going so far. Our good vibes. Look at that, so we're getting the colour that we're looking for, that golden brown coating with that nice little crispiness on there. So our good vibes, everyone. So let me know what type of fried rice you like. You know, if it's vegetable fried rice, what type of vegetables you put in the rice. You know, like, but today what we're doing is it's a chicken fried rice, everyone. Our good vibes. Nice one. So what I'm not going to do is, all I've done is just basically poured some of the oil out, and I'm not going to wash the pan out because I want that flavour, that natural flavour. Look at that. So I've just added all my vegetables that I'm going to be using, and I've good vibes. I'm just going to make them go and fry up, and I'm just going to add the rice in a short while, everybody. So I've good vibes. Just watch the process. So now is the time to add all-purpose seasoning mix, everybody. Good vibes. Make sure that you get your one in your cupboard, everyone. And then I have to put a next one in the kitchen because this one is running out. See what I go on? Yeah, man. So what we're still looking for, that crunch in the vegetables. So the moment we've all been waiting for is here. Wow. All right, everyone, so here we are. If you really want that crispiness to a particular part of the rice, a little bit of it, what we do, we turn our pan up so that we get a little crispiness, so that you can get that proper fried rice, because it's a fried rice we're dealing with. So yes, we're gonna have some of the grains that are gonna be soft, but then you get a crispiness to some of the grains. But we're completed now, everyone. So what I'm gonna do is just serve up right now, turn off our pan, our good vibes. Now we've come to that time, everybody. Thank you very much, everyone, for staying tuned with this episode. It's Siwagwan. Yeah, man, a good vibration. Yeah, man, chicken fried rice, Jamaican style, Ringo Vision style, 24-hour kitchen style, people, yeah? Thank you very much, and I see you guys again very soon, people. Look at that. Simple, you know? Some red and green pepper, you know? And a couple little things. Yeah, man, thank you very much, everybody, yeah? Big up yourself, you done now. Yeah, this one's proper, everyone. Big up yourself. Vegetables, the chicken. Respect everybody here. Thank you very much again. I'll see you again in a couple of days.